Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining today. If you like what you see, subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so whenever I post, you will get that notification. Alrighty, thank you. Today's video is a lazy girl, beginner-friendly, completely glueless wig install. I know you've heard the word beginner-friendly a lot of times, and the video ends up being too advanced, but this is not that video because this is beginner level friendly. No cutting of lace, no bleaching, no plucking, no gluing down. Zero skills required. And the catch is, it will look professionally done. Just wear your wig and shine, baby. This ready to go wig is from Asteria Hair. It will be my first time trying them out. So this video is going to double as my first use review. The packaging looks great. I love the mint color, very girly. Let's see what is inside. Once you open the box, you have the hair, which is the star of the show. This is an 18 inches HD closure 7x4 wig. Next, you have a one-size-fits-all wig cap. If you don't wear your wigs with wig caps, I don't know why. After that, you have a melt band. This is the customized Asteria melt band. It also has a Velcro behind that. Makes it easy for you to adjust and wear to the fit of your head. There's also a complimentary hairbrush. Next is a pair of lashes. Lastly, inside of the box is a satin drawstring bag to keep your wigs looking nice with the brand logo and their contact details. All the information about this wig will be listed in my description box. I'm just going to quickly brush the edges of my hair using the complimentary brush and then pop on my wig cap. Because of my dark skin tone, I always like to opt for darker color of wig cap, just to take out the stress of having to use foundation on the wig cap in order to make it look as realistic as possible. So I just go for a darker hue of wig cap. If you are dark like me, I would advise you hop on that. Taking out the wig from the bag right here, and you can see that it is well packaged. It also has the net that keeps the curls in place. Also these things that keep the structure in place as well. The width of the lace is not as long as that of a frontal, but it is long closure. So this is 7 inches wide and 4 inches long. I wasn't playing when I told you all that this wig is beginner friendly. Look at the lace, it is pre-cut, as you can see, in the most realistic way possible. It will suit every hairline. It looks really good. The lace is bleached as well. Against my skin tone, you can see that it marries so well together with the most realistic hairline. Inside, you have the dome cap that is so stretchy, and then you also have the adjustable strap that you can use to either tighten or loosen the wig, whichever comes first. It also has the combs that makes wearing the wig a breeze, literally. Let's pop on the wig. On the website, you're given the opportunity to choose your wig cap size. So I went with large because I have a big head. But if you have a smaller head than mine, they have medium, they have small as well. This large fits my head so well. Yo, I told you, I can choose to leave the house like this now. I'm just looking at myself. Yeah, just check out this hairline. Check out this hairline. Also, because of how long the lace is, you can choose to go with side part, center part, but for the purpose of this video, your girl is going to stick with the center part it came with. Wow. Because I'm somewhat of a perfectionist, I'm just going to use a little bit of foundation just to put on the edges of the lace so that it gives a more natural look. Like I mentioned, I can choose to leave the house like this. But me being me, I like to go the extra mile. Oops. This wig is so soft. So soft. When I tell you all to rush to Asteria's website, I mean it. Just believe me, because I'm someone who knows good hair, and this hair is fantastic quality. It is not shedding at all. It looks so good. Let me just go in with some water to further activate the coil So in here I have a little bit of conditioner and water. Woo! You can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Talk to me with respect. Call me Ogbu if you want. When you see me, call me Chief. When you have on this hair and you enter anywhere, nobody's going to come and ask you who invited you. It's easy access because you look like Cinderella. You look like money. Girl, this wig is everything and more. Everything and more. Using my comb to make the parts more visible. Ooh. I'm just going to go in with a hot comb just to flatten the part because this is straight out of the box and we want to slay. Everything you see is just me going the extra mile because I don't need to. The hair already speaks volume. Oh, I'm filming in 4K, so there's no Joro here. I'm not playing games. What you see is what you get with this wig. In 4K, everything is heightened. Everything is zoomed in. Can you see the hairline of this? And like I mentioned, it is glueless. Let me just put my comb underneath that and you can see that I have no glue whatsoever. This is just a wear and go wig and you're slaying. The density is so full. This is the back. Love it. Just to take it up 2 notches, I'm just going to go in with a melting spray. Spray it a little bit on my finger and tap it on the lace. Nothing advanced. Like I mentioned, beginner friendly. Just tap it on the lace to give you that flawless look. I can as well go in with the band, but there's no need for it because it's already laying so flat. And that's it, y'all. I'm done. Voila. It took less than 10 minutes to get this on my head. Yeah, this will be me for the rest of the day. No cap, I really love this wig. This is definitely going to be in full rotation in terms of my wigs. If you know me, you know that I am so into hairs, but I hate the process that comes with slaying your hair, putting it together, installation basically. But with this wig, I don't have to worry about that. If you're like me, do yourself a favor and click on the link in my description box that redirects you to their website so you can cop this for yourself. I love that the hair is so versatile. I can choose to pin it up, I can choose to go with the side parts. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video. Until I come your way again, don't forget to stay amazing. Bye y'all.